In my parish, there's been a wonderful initiatives to study the church teachings and the lives of the saints. And in some of that work, I have appreciated when it's been said that our love of God and Jesus supersedes wanting to be liked and pleasing others just to maintain our comfort and safety. And so when I speak with my friend Eddie here, he says we've come to a point where no longer is that okay. It's not acceptable. It has brought us to where we are now, where good people are silent because they don't want to disturb anybody. And I guess that terrible choice is not so terrible. My skin is not being bombed. My children are not being bombed. My children are not being starved. But because I know so much, I feel responsible to not be quiet about it. And because it's being done in my name. Because it's being done in my name. And I cannot worship and adore Jesus while we are killing and starving the least. That those two things don't go together. And if anyone doubts that that's happening in our name, then I would say that we're not seeking enough truth, and certainly not dialogue. So when we stand with power and might and money and weapons, sure, we're in really good position to not listen to anybody. But once we start disarming our hearts, disarming our lives, opening our hearts, opening our ears to the cries of the victims, the innocent, we'll get closer to what God is calling us to, holiness. Thank you.